Hey everyone, it's Karissa here again. Today we are going to be doing makeup of a deer. It's going to be really cute. We're going to be using a lot of browns with this and yeah, so just follow along and let me know what you think. Yay! So as we get started, I've already got my primer on and my foundation. My face is ready to go. I am going to be using a lot of the Cocoa Contour. So this is something that you normally use if you have darker skin as a little bit of a contour. And I am just going to cover my eyelids in the Cocoa Contour. I want it to be nice and dark, and I want it to be all over, all the way up to my eyebrows. Wonderful, wonderful. Now that I've gotten it on my eyes, I'm now going to use it as a contour on my cheeks, but it's not really going to be a contour. It's just going to be adding that nice brown color to be like the deer's skin color, so to speak. I want it to be like a nice contrast, and I'm not going to blend it in like you normally would. I want it to be standing out. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but that's okay. So then I'm going to take deep dark brown eyebrow pencil, which obviously is a lot darker than my regular eyebrows, but that's okay. I want it to stand out a little bit on my face. It's all part of the look. And then I use a little eyebrow brush to go through and kind of comb it out, smooth it out. Use my fingers a little bit too to make sure it looks good and everything is in the right place with that. I don't want it to be looking too crazy. Even though I look crazy right now. It'll get better, I promise. Okay, so now I'm taking the regular black pen eyeliner, and I'm just gonna draw like a regular eyeliner, try to keep it as nice and straight as possible, but I'm actually gonna do two sort of cat eye tails on it. I don't know if that's a correct term for it, but yeah, so we're gonna do one that's up a little bit above where your crease is, and then one right at your crease. So it's gonna look kind of like a deer with a little bit of cute eyelashes at the end. You're going for like a cartoony, almost deer look here. Really cute. Okay, so now I'm going to take that dark brown eyebrow pencil, and I'm actually just going to do a brown eyeliner on the bottom of my eyelids just a little bit so that it helps my eyes to pop out a little bit. Okay, so from here I am going to add a little bit more brown to my cheeks. Just really want it to be nice and robust color, very deep and rich and fun. And then I'm going to take an Ivory Concealer, and I'm just going to make 3 little dots on both of my cheeks because deers have cute little white dots on their brown fur, and so this is just going to be resembling that. How cute is that? Now comes for the fun part. We're going to do our mascara. We always want to make sure we have mascara, or false eyelashes are always really fun to do with costume makeup as well. I just applied mascara to my top eyelashes, but you can totally do it to both top and bottom. So I'm going to take that deep brown eyebrow pencil again, and I'm going to draw a little like button type nose on my nose, which will be the deer nose, obviously. Make the circle as best as possible. You can use like a little stencil or something if you need to, and then just color it in. And make sure it looks all cute and even. And then for the finishing touches, I'm going to put a little lip primer on. And then for this look, I'm just using the Chocolate Nude lip gloss, but you can definitely use like a chocolate lipstick instead, and I'll link both of them. The lipstick will last longer, but I just wanted to use the lip gloss. And I would definitely recommend using some kind of like makeup finishing spray. Like we have how do you say it, Scandivia makeup finishing spray to keep it all in place. Anyways, let me know what you guys think of my little deer look. Do you like it? Do you love it?